Why do we often ignore good advice from others? A possible reason is that we do not know whether it is good or bad advice. But there is more on this topic. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Now, to understand more about this idea about accepting or not accepting advice, let's go back to a survey that was made in 1997 in the US. They asked 1,000 respondents to estimate the probability that somebody will go to heaven. Bill Clinton, he got 52% probability. Michael Jordan, 65%. Mother Teresa, 79%. There is somebody that did even better than Mother Teresa, the respondent of the survey. The people that responded to the survey, they estimated that their probability to go to heaven was 87%. This is a typical example of a psychological bias called overconfidence. We tend to overestimate the kind of things that are attractive. It may be honesty, physical attractiveness, driving ability. As a result, as indicated by Francesca Gino in her great book Sidetracked, we may end up not listening to good advice because we overestimate our own views. There are a couple of exceptions. We are more likely to listen to advice when it is paid advice, for instance when we recruited a consulting firms, or when we are dealing with very complex kind of situations. So next time that you get some paid advice, ask yourself, will I have listened to this advice if this was free advice? To conclude, let me take the opportunity to give you a good advice, and I hope that you will follow it. Please subscribe to this channel so that we can continue the learning journey together. And for more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.